Absolutely, a stunning day sets the backdrop for Progression's Playground as we welcome you now to the Monster Energy Men's Snowboard Slopestyle.
Gerard's riding. Switchboard slide, same way out. Switch front board, same way. Here's that cap 10. Board slide pretzel, I think, could have been a little bit cleaner. Had to fight that one around. As that back to 270 out on. It's a very big rainbow rail.
But when you see people struggle like that in the rail section, it makes you appreciate just how detailed you have to be to make it look flawless.
Beautiful cap 2, pull it back. When I say pull back, whoa!
Oh my.
Beautiful frontside 1080 and almost much better on that 50 front 2 to the rainbow teardrop rail.